Ready?
Yeah. Bam.
We're getting ready to go to the Osaka Aquarium. This is Jeff and all our stuff.
This has to find outfits to wear. I just find t-shirts.
Yeah, it's
Street Fighter.
it's not fair. Let's put together a whole outfit and you just pull stuff out.
Yeah, I bought some new shirts from H&M. Which is kind of rare because I don't really.
Also, just been finding clothes and I have not.
I know. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Well, I've been looking for. I love this whole Hawaiian island paradise thing, and I've been wanting to try to find like short sleeve button up shirts that didn't look too Hawaiian, but still floral. I don't know. I'm really picky because some of them, actually, the shirts still have flowers on it, but they can't look too floral. If that makes sense. I don't know where my shirt is, but somewhere around here. Yeah.
Yeah, look at this. We have to find a way to cram everything back into our luggage.
You know what's taking up a lot of space in my luggage?
Okay.
We just got off at the Osaka Coast Station. We're heading over to the Osaka Aquarium, but we're really hungry, so we're gonna grub real quick. Yes, we are back at the Pokemon Center because we didn't get enough last time, and we want to see if there's anything new since the last time we came.
I'm just wandering around while Jeff shops. So here's like a bunch of toys. I think it's mainly the theme is trains. They also have Thomas the Tank Engine gachapon. And right across from the train store is this, looks like a cooking class. They're all in there. I think today they are making tarts. So they're in there, they're doing their thing. Little kids, lots of children today. So many children. Tomica.
So we're going over, we're going over to get some melon pie. Because at least I want some melon pie. We left the Umida area. We had to go stop by the Pokemon Center again. And then we're heading over to get some melon. And we're gonna go hit up Denden Town and maybe a Mercura if we have time. The melon is in the Dotonbori area. So much food everywhere. walk by a parking lot. Looky what we have over here. R33 GTR. I'm currently in a parking lot right now, just looking for cool cars because I love cars. Got an Evo 10 right here. What else we got? Got the Evo 9 with the S13. Look at that, beautiful. It's a Toyota Aristo, aka a Lexus GS300. I got a couple Toyota FRSs. That's about it, actually.
Here's Mario and what looks like a potato. And let's see what's in here.
I played a lot of JRPGs when I was younger. Chrono Cross is one of them, along with Grandia. Played Grandia 1 and 2. And, oh man, so many amazing games. Art the Lad. Oh my goodness.
We have all the retro systems over here, but they're all in Japanese. And look at this. Like wall-to-wall stuff. Oh my goodness. It's like the one that my mom sent to the Philippines without my permission.
I never had a Game Boy.
Oh.
My first Game Boy was a Game Boy Color. This is my first Game Boy ever. I didn't realize it was so small. I thought it was bigger than this.
I've forgotten how big that one was.
Yeah, it's massive. But Game Boy Color was my first Game Boy.
What did you see?
One of the best Final Fantasies ever made. I don't know why they called it 6 in Japan, but 3 in America.
I'm looking at all the snacks. This is mayonnaise. I believe that's wasabi. This looks like
Wait, what is that?
seaweed.
Really? Oh.
Yeah,
what the
seaweed.
hell?
This is big katsu. Looks spicy. And I'm stuck. This is unagi flavored. Barbecue. And these over here. It's probably sweet potato. I like sweet potato. What's this? It's smushy. That's what it is, smushy. I gauge deliciousness by smushiness. Oh, cute! There's little hearts in here. Oh no, 30 cents for this. It's very little. It's probably a good thing. Oh, little pancakes. I think maybe it's like the ones from the convenience store. What else we got down here? Well, it looks like, well, from the picture, it looks like mochi, but it's hard. Oh no. This is squid flavored something. Appropriate. Seaweed. What's this? So, lollipop? Oh, look! Taiyaki. Different flavored taiyaki. It's crashed into. I remember these! Did anyone else used to get these? Ooh, I think I'm getting a hang of this. Ooh, pudding. You're not a pudding. There's some smoochy marshmallow thing. Lies. This is a stick of strawberries or something. Oh! What is this? I saw something else, but then I saw this. It looks like some sort of cream. And it comes with a little spoon if you want it. It comes with a spoon. So, but yeah, remember these things? It looks dirty right now, but I think we used to freeze it or just drink the juice. I don't remember. It's been so long. Okay. I I've never had this, but it feels squishy. It feels like what this stuff. It feels like whatever this is. What are these things? It's a weird little packaging. If anybody knows what these things are that I'm picking up, pretty much appreciate it. Oh, it comes with a toothpick. Like I need a toothpick. Just gobble those up. What's this? Feels like a cracker. Or I'm crushing it in my hand.
I think that was an S13.
Is this like a mating call for you? You just
Yes,
have
it is.
You have to like stop. Like, what is that?
The mating call. That's exactly what it is.
We have arrived at our first love hotel. We're just gonna check it out. The one that we initially wanted to go to was actually, I think it's been replaced. So we're checking out another one. This one is called the Water Hotel. All right, we're going to the third one. The first two that we looked at, the rooms are fairly normal. We're trying to get kinky and try some. What? We're trying to get some like weird themed rooms. What's weird about love hotels is you don't actually interact with anyone, so no one knows you're in here. There are love hotels after love hotels after love hotels.
They're all occupied.
Yeah, a lot of them are occupied right now. Well, not all. It depends on which ones. Well, it depends on which ones. I mean, like some of them have a lot of rooms open. Kind of depends. I'm sure the kinky ones will be taken. We've decided we're officially gonna ditch our Airbnb for tonight. And we're gonna go stay at a love hotel after dinner.
We're just at a random spot in Dotonbori. We're about to get some dinner because we're really hungry and we don't really care what we eat. But this actually looks really good. That's Elisa's plate with roast beef, some fried potato, aka fries, and one broccoli. And mine. A sort of sushi. Then again, mine was like 4 times the price of hers.
We're about to pack our stuff and like bring it over to one of the love hotels because their rooms are nice. Right, we just rapidly packed all our stuff, so we'll be ready to go first thing in the morning.
This is our love hotel. This cost us $263 for the night. We got a nice big old bed, big ass TV. Got a little couch over here. And since this is a water hotel, it's obviously like an ocean themed. We got little boats and some sailors, like on a seesaw, some seashells right there. And then we have kind of weird. We have a sink in this living room, kind of odd. Also have an aquarium. Which, you know, I love fish. A little aquarium right here. Check this out. This is the floor. So this floor, I'm actually kind of scared to walk on it because it's still glass. But you basically, it's all seashells, coral, all that. It's super nice. We got robes. So we put on robes, as well as got some microwave. Fridge. This fridge apparently I think is empty, so we put all our drinks in there, which I bought a few. And this one, you have to buy stuff, and so we're not gonna be using this one. Look at this big ass bathroom. This bathroom is bigger than our Airbnb. So we have a nice big jacuzzi, and we'll call it a massage mat. Huge ass shower, and I think with a view outside. I was like another shower here, I guess. Got a little balcony of our own. Got a nice balcony. Don't really have much of a view because this is a love hotel, so that'd be a little bit conspicuous. People don't, want people to know you're in here. I'm gonna definitely sip on some of my drinks here for sure. This is what it looks like over. There's a few love hotels in sight. We are going to have fun tonight.